anything wrong with jumping, of course. It kind of runs in the family. Or jumps.
What do you want?
Want?
Go ahead. Get it off your chest. Call me ugly.
Ugly?
There you go. You happy?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, you see? I mean, connect the dots. If we were talking ugly, they don't come more beautifully challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. I'm getting nothing. Nothing here. Come on, give us a smile.
I just want to be left alone.
Well, that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I have a human in my throat. Oh, well, don't let it get you down. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a beautiful princess in frog's clothing, and one day, someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. But then I say, nah, get real. Who wants to snog a frog? You know what our trouble is? No, our image isn't bold. You mark my words. One day, ugly will be in. If you just sit so